Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Super excited to have you guys. It's Sunday, October the 9th. I just want to welcome you guys to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, guys, just want to introduce myself. I'm one of the main hosts here at Blessed Traders Academy, and I just wanted to welcome you guys to my channel. And just welcome you guys to the family. Our family is slowly growing, guys, and we go live every single day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So super excited to have you guys. And if you're looking to learn how to trade, guys, or you're looking to take your trading to new levels, make sure you guys subscribe below and hit that notification bell and join the family, guys. Also, guys, we're just gonna get started here. We are currently live on a gold trade that I just took right now. I got in, obviously, there's a lot of factors involved into it. You have to, the way I see it too as a trader is it's better to get a better entry, a little bit more aggressive, and if price goes against you, that's no problem, but you had a much better entry. And you know what I mean, when it comes to trading, you have to be confident in the trades that you take, you know what I mean, guys. And a lot of times I know that it can be a little bit scary, you know what I mean, but you also have to trust your analysis and stuff like that. So kind of my outlook right now on gold, it's overall bearish, the 4 hour, the daily, and so it's just giving me this kind of overall indication that price has a little bit more continuation to the downside. However, as you know, the market's all about probabilities, and so nothing's 100%. So like I said, I got a nice clean entry, and we'll see if price does end up continuing to go down further, and we'll kind of go from there. Give me a few minutes, guys, as we get all started, and we'll get everyone all taken care of, and we'll start looking at some charts. But just give me 1 second as I'm gonna just finish up the video description here as we have more and more people join our live stream. Thank you once again, guys, for joining in. Really appreciate you all, and welcome to the family. Let's go, guys. Got the black. Get it. Almost done here, guys. We're getting a couple more people join in. We'll wait for a couple more people to join in. Welcome, guys. We're waiting for a couple more people to just join in, guys. Want to welcome you guys to the family. If you guys enjoy these live streams, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. We're gonna begin shortly. We got a fire week ahead of us, guys, and I hope you guys have had a blessed Sunday, and I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. I know that here in Canada we have Thanksgiving holidays, so we are kind of all like we don't have to worry about anything on Monday. Everyone's kind of taking a break on Monday, so we've got holidays on Monday, tomorrow, and yeah, guys, I'm super excited to have you all here joining me. Just waiting on a couple more people to join in, and we're gonna get started shortly, guys. We got a nice gold trade, guys, that I got in just now. Sent it through VIP as well, guys. Hey, we've got Tom Brooks. Tom, welcome, brother. Welcome. Hope you had an amazing weekend, my friend. We've got Tom from Australia. He's already part of the family here, so welcome, Tom. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna begin. We're good to go here. I've got everything here lined up. Gonna let the Telegram group know we are live. Excited to have you guys. Like I said, guys, don't be shy. Feel free to comment below. Let me know how your weekend was, guys. I do answer to all the messages through there, so let me know how your weekend went, guys. I'm super excited to hear, and I hope we can all just kill it this week, guys, and have an amazing, blessed week, you know, in the market. So guys, welcome back. Super excited to have you guys. So let's take a look at gold. I'm gonna just explain a little bit kind of what I'm seeing with gold. And remember, the market's all about probabilities, guys, and that's why we want to manage risk. Always remember that you want to manage risk. You don't want to be over trading, guys. It's really, really important to manage your risk, as always, okay? So what I was looking at, by the way, I'm much better. I just got a dry cough now, pretty much, but what I was basically looking at for gold, okay, we're going to start off here, is let's go on to the daily time frame and kind of what am I looking at here, guys. So what I was looking at for gold, and I don't know why this is here all the way like that. I'm gonna delete that there. I think that was just for a sample video I did for my shorts. Okay, so we're on the daily time frame, guys, and one of the things that I basically saw here for gold, at least, is that we are in a downwards trend. Okay, so the most important thing, as always, you guys know, we want to look at the overall direction of the market. We can see clearly that price has been respecting this trend line for quite some time. We can see that we have, you know, a high here, we've got a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and this here, although this is a little bit higher, it's not higher than this high, it's still considered a lower high. You have to understand that this is a pullback, right? And sometimes these pullbacks can be a little bit more complex, right? Like for example, let's say this pullback here, this is still a pullback. Even though it went a little bit higher than this support area here, it's still considered a pullback. It's just called a complex pullback. It's not breaking structure unless it breaks above these highs. That's why, to me, I'm still in a seller's market, because we are still below this level of structure. Okay, so unless price actually broke above here, this level, technically I'm not looking for buys, right? Obviously, like, this would be the previous high, or you could say this would be the previous high, but this was technically the previous high here, right? So anything above this is a strong confirmation we're looking for buys. However, I do have to point this out. I would start considering buys anything above this level structure down here, right? Yeah, but even then it wouldn't be like something 100%. Like, we're talking like for sure upwards trend at these levels here, which would be the break of the structure here. Anything above here, then we're kind of like coming up to like a ranging area where price could still come back down. And so that wouldn't be a full confirmation of price actually going all the way to the upside, but just not yet anyways. We are looking at a downwards trend, guys, on gold on the daily. When we go down to the 4 hour, we're still super bearish. And if we kind of narrow it down also, actually let's go back to the daily, because I want you guys to understand this too. You guys see my trend line that I've pointed out there too? Okay, perfect. Not only that, if we actually go to the weekly and we look at where we are with gold, okay, so we thought a couple weeks back that this area was where gold was going to respect. I know it's kind of hard to see, guys, but I hope you kind of understand what I'm seeing here. So this area here, that I have highlighted right over here, was an area where we thought, okay, this is an area where gold's going to respect, because we've got multiple areas where price has rejected this area in the past. However, that was not the case. You can see here in the past, look, we've got support, and then price broke this level of support, which surprised us because we thought, hey, this is probably where price is going to stay and hold off, right? We broke it, and now what we're doing is we're retesting that level of structure on the weekly, and we got a weekly candle open and it's looking bearish. However, that could pull back up, you know what I mean? So there is a chance of that happening. But not only that, then when we narrow it down to the daily to just kind of understand, okay, where are we? Now that we do know that we broke below this level of structure here, which I have highlighted, now it's retesting it. We are getting a rejection. So this is kind of where my thought process comes in, and my analysis is, well, okay, so we have been in a downtrend. You can see the nice clear downtrend here. We're kind of at the highs of that trend line. So what did we get? We got a nice clean rejection. So that in itself, plus we're on the daily, so it's a higher significance, knowing that price has been rejecting that area. To me, that's a strong indication. Hey, listen, this is a strong indication that price is going to continue to go down further, right? So now that we know that on the daily, we kind of narrow it down. We're like, okay, we're at, we have been trending to the downside, right? We are in a downwards trend, right? We have super bearish candle formations on the daily, okay? And now we're going to go down to the 4-hour, knowing all this price action. Look at the 4-hour, guys. This is like a straight no-brainer. Look, double top. Boom, price came down. We already knew this. We got on some, I was looking at price and I told you guys, I'm like, guys, gold is going to melt at this level. We were over here. I think it was like Friday or Thursday. I can't remember exactly. And I told you guys, I was like, guys, we're looking at gold sells, honestly, at this point. Like, that's kind of my overall analysis. We got a double top. We're at the neckline. If price is failing to break above these highs over here, there's definitely looking for like sells, and price did exactly just that. Plus we have this nice clean range here. So another reason why I think that too, if you look on the 4-hour, this is a super bearish 4-hour candle. Not only that, look over here on the left hand side. That's a nice clean area where price could exhaust and come back down to. So we have a nice clean range. We have bearish sentiment on the higher time frames, and then this is this huge range area of about 194 pips where we have a lot of play room for price to come back down. And at least this will kind of give us another second chance for price to come down and then maybe come back up if that's what it wants to, for a continuation potentially to the downside if it doesn't hold this level of resistance. That's kind of what I'm expecting, guys. So I came back down to the 30-minute and the 1-hour, and I said, okay, well, here's one of the two things that I can do. Either I get in now, right over here, that's where I got in a little bit higher, and I have a much better entry. Even if price comes back up, that's fine. I'll still be at break even. Or I wait for that candle confirmation close, which anyways it did. On the 1-hour, look at the 1-hour, already closed below here. We're at 1691. That was my confirmation, so we already kind of broke it and closed for a continuation to the downside. So I'm like, it's a win-win. It just really is having that confidence to get in and be like, okay, I'm gonna get in now, guys, because you're confident in your analysis and what you think where price could be heading. I just explained it top down to you guys how I'm looking at the trades. You know what I mean? And so that's really crucial for you guys to be successful when it comes to trading, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys, if you're understanding that explanation, because I am here to provide you guys as much value as possible. I want you guys to learn, and I want you guys to replicate all these trades that I mentioned, guys. Like, if you guys look at my live streams from last week, guys, we killed it. We literally destroyed the markets last week. We took like 3 trades, and typically I like to just trade 2 trades max within a day, but we had 3 opportunities. I only took out of the 2, I only had 1 chance because I was so busy explaining everything to you guys so that you guys could understand. You know what I mean? So I want you guys to know that I'm here to help you. You know what I mean? Because that's always been my whole objective, guys, is to be able to help you guys. And I love trading anyways. Like I said, I've been doing this for 6 years, and It, hasn't been easy, by the way. When I really started seeing results was just recently, like 2 years ago. You know what I mean? Like when the pandemic hit, that's when I really got down and I said, you know what? I really, really want to understand this. This is a language I want to understand. I told my wife, I said, I really want to understand this language one day, and I really hope that, you know what I mean? This is all going to pay off, because it took a lot, guys. It really took a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of dedication, a lot of money that I lost in my trading. But not only that, but also like in courses, guys, in programs that, you know what I mean? And there were programs that worked really well for me and that helped me be who I am today. But there was some stuff that I was just like, damn, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of information out there, guys, and you have to be very, very careful where you get your information from. Best advice, stick to one thing, and that's what I'm saying. The community that we have is amazing, guys. So make sure you guys join and subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell if you truly want to take your trading to new levels, guys. If you really want to make a change, you really want a difference, guys, you've come to the right community, guys. So make sure you guys don't forget to hit that notification bell when you join and subscribe. Also, guys, join our free Telegram group, guys. Lots of value there, guys. Lots of great community, which we all support each other there. So yeah, guys, just make sure you guys join. Make sure you guys learn as much as you can. I'm telling you guys, it's most important to absorb this information. Like, I'm literally here on a Sunday night. You know what I mean? My wife is like literally waiting for me on the other side, in our room, and she's just watching a movie. But what I'm trying to get at is, the point is, I'm here to show you guys that if you're consistent, you will get results. You know what I mean? I want to support you guys. I want to give back. You know what I mean? I find that when you give back, you know what I mean, the way God works and his plans are perfect, you know what I mean? And he has a perfect plan for each and every one of us, right? We're so uniquely made. And so for me as a person, I feel so much better giving than having to feel like I'm getting, you know what I mean? Like, it's such a better feeling. I don't know about you. I don't know about you guys. If you've ever had that happen to you guys, where you give and it's just such a good feeling. You know what I mean? Have you ever had a family member or a friend or someone that's really in need, and you're just like, man, listen, man, I just wanted to give you this, or listen, man, like, I just wanted to, hey, man, listen, it's on me, and not just that, like, let's do something. You know what I mean? And you just give back, and give back. When you give, it's the most biggest blessing that we have gotten. As humans, that God has given us, is to be able to give and help others. It's a huge thing, and it's kind of like one of the podcasts I was listening to from Robert Kiyosaki was, he said, he's like, I don't like writing books, but he's like, writing a book is what I had to do to fulfill my purpose. It was insane. So when I listened to that, I was like, damn, that was like huge for me. You know what I mean? So and it's true, when you find your purpose, that's huge. Okay, guys, so we've got some comments here. I can't really hear you guys too well here. All right, so we got Monday at 2 p.m. here. Oh man, that's crazy. Back in Australia. Yeah, that's awesome, Tom. Hey Pedro, glad to see you, bro, as always. Here, excited to have over some trades. Let's go, bro. Let's kill it. Nicholas, yo, let's go, bro. Good night. Hope all is well. Hey, bro, good night, man. I think you're in Jamaica, right? Jamaica, Nicholas. Let's go. Ibrahim, hello. We've got MK, hi. Ibrahim, you're a real G. Hey, bro, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Much love, bro. GG, how much do you lose before being profitable? Man, it was a lot, bro. I think if I were to accumulate how much money was lost before I actually reached the point where I am today, like a good, you lose a lot of money. Like your first year, you will lose money before you make money. But there's a chance to make money it depends on the person, right? Like, some people are fast learners, right? Some people take some time. And unfortunately for me, it's like, I'm a fast learner, but when it comes to trading, the problem was there was so much noise. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, if you guys are just joining us now or you're new, make sure you guys stick to one thing. You know what I mean? Don't jump from one person to the other person or whatever. Just stick to one thing, and that's it. And for example, me, like, I do these live streams every single day, guys. All the time, just for you guys. I do this all the time, every single day, absolutely free. Guys, I'm here every single day at 7 a.m. And I also join you guys in the evening sometimes. I surprise you guys in the evenings, and pretty much, I'll be honest, I'm pretty much here almost every day in the evenings as well too. So You know what I mean? Take advantage of that. You know what I mean? It's really, really important to join a community where you have and you can trust and you can see, like, you know, the transparency of it. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It's like I've told you guys, there's chances where this is the reality market. You know, the market, there's risks involved in the market. You know what I mean? You have to learn the psychology aspect, which took me a long time to get that through my head. You know what I mean? And it's normal because we all go through that. You know what I mean? We want to get, you know, we all have a sense of slight greed. You know what I mean? Like sometimes we feel like, oh man, like I just want to flip this account, like I need the money, or you know what I mean, or like whatever the case is, right? So just remember, be patient. Don't look at if you're for example, okay, if you really need money at the moment and you're trading is a great skill set to learn, guys, that will reward you in the future, right? And I'm telling you guys, it will reward you, but you just have to be patient. You know what I mean? So it'll come in its due time. You just have to be patient because it's something that is long term. I think that when I started disconnecting from the idea of realizing that I need to use trading as a way to help me use it as a second source or third, fourth, fifth, so like a different source of income, that's when things change for me, because you need to take that pressure off you 100%. You need to take that pressure off of feeling that, oh my gosh, I need to flip this account. I've only got $100 and I need to flip this $100 to $200 in a matter of 2 days. You can't have that type of pressure on you guys. It's not healthy and it's not going to help you with your trading. Okay. Okay, let's continue on, guys. Here I'm just going to read through the comments and then we'll get started on some of the charts. Gold trade is going exactly as predicted, guys, in our favor. Like I said, at this point I'll probably just move my stops to break even, and just kind of call it a day there. Yeah. So just I'm gonna probably just let it run, let it do its thing. It is what it is. Obviously we're in profits right now, but I just let it run still. I think it still has lots of potential to go down further. I'm gonna stick with my analysis, and it is what it is. Sometimes you stick with your analysis, it's clean, and then it might come back up. But I think I'm strongly looking at potential sell. So we'll go with the flow, and we'll see what ends up happening with gold. Okay, guys, I'm going to read through the comments quickly, and then we'll get started on the charts. Tom, hey, let's go, Tom. We got agree, giving it to one of the joys and satisfactions of life. That's right. That's right. Amen. Amen. Auto Bliss, really appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. Means a lot because I really look after you, and you have touched us real stuff, and that's hard to find. Hey, thanks, bro. I really appreciate it. Auto Bliss. Let's get it. Shout out to Auto Bliss. And Tui Samuel joining live from Ghana. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. Welcome to La Familia. Mr. Potters, can we still enter Pedro on short on gold? I would probably yes, but I would do like really low risk, because what could happen, I'll be honest with you, the way I'm looking at how gold is reacting right now, and that's fine because it is the 1 hour, is what we might get some sort of a pullback. So you just have to be aware of that. We might get a nice clean pullback, and that's okay. Something like this. It'll pull back up to like 1694 possibly, and then come back down, something like that. So if and when, right? Because it could just come back down. Bears could be really bearish and just come back in. If and when that does happen, it'll probably come up to this level. If we get a nice clean rejection of this level highs, then get back in. If it comes back up and it pierces above this level, now let me highlight this and be like, you know, I'm in this trade right now, but I'm gonna manage my risk, right? Like I already pretty much put my I put it as a little bit closer on my stop loss. So ideally you want to put it at break even. If it comes in, breaks even, no problem. Didn't lose any money. That's all about managing a risk, and that's the most important thing. If price just continues to drop, then perfect. You know what I mean? This is hypothetically, if price does come back up and we start getting kind of more bullish sentiment, that's okay. We want to see rejection of this level of structure. That's the area we want to look for, rejections. And then if we see rejections and we see another bearish candle come in, that's it. That's your in, that's your heavy entry. That's where you get back in, right? Getting in right now will be risky, because what's going to happen is if you get in here and price goes against you, it's going to go against you over 34 pips, 35 pips. You don't want that. I mean, if you do a full lot, I typically do anything like full lot. I don't do like heavy lots or anything like that. Like I said, I would be lying to you if I do like bigger lots and stuff like that. I'm not there yet. That's my overall goal, but I do a full lot, max maybe 2 lots if I really feel like the trade's got lots of good potential. Sometimes I'll do 0.50. I like 0.50 because I feel like super confident on 0.50 lots. Because I don't feel like I'm like gonna over trade, you know what I mean? I hate that feeling of like I'm over trading my account, you know what I mean? Because I've been there before. Okay, Mr. Positive. So yeah, we'll take a look at that, bro. We'll see what ends up happening there. Tom Brooks, stick to one person. You're my man, Pedro. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go, Toms. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Really do. That means a lot. Nicholas, I like that you stream now in the nights because I'm off to work in the morning when your stream starts. Hey, Nicholas, that's why. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a while, brother. That makes sense. So yeah, I do come in the evenings. I try to come in on the evenings as much as I can, right? I know I can commit 100% being here every single day in the mornings, but at least in the evenings, I want to be able to provide some time for those that can't. You know what I mean? So I try to provide best of both worlds. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna continue on. That's kind of what I was looking at. Gold for that, and then we'll go from there, guys. So let's continue on and see what. So gold, like I said, gold overall sentiment looking very bearish. That's what we want. Let's see. Now I'm gonna fully move my stops to break even, just so that we can manage our risk, guys. Remember, we always want to manage our risk. So it's going in our favor, which is amazing. That's great. And we're just gonna move our stop loss 16 fully all the way. Actually, move it into profit. 16. Let's do 1691. No, 1692. That's 1692. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Price literally is melting. Okay, exactly as predicted, guys. Live in the flesh, as you guys can see. Amazing turnout, guys. Right now at this point, some people, if you got into that trade, you guys can take some partials and move your stop loss to break even. Guys, do you mind reporting that person that's commenting here? I don't know what they always comment on our lives, guys. I really appreciate it if you guys can report that person there. It says chat 69. They always come on our live. It's ridiculous, man. Tom Brooks, I'm on gold. I'm gonna work on the farm. See you. Okay, sounds good, Tom. I'll see you in a bit, buddy. Okay, so yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at there, guys, for gold. Exactly as predicted. Overall sentiment for gold, like I said, is bearish, and I'm expecting it to potentially come down to these lows, down over here. However, we will see, we do have a nice clean range to the downside. If we look on the left hand side, that's a nice clean range, even on the other side as well. However, probably around here, we're already kind of testing the highs of this kind of resistance area here. We might get a little bit of turbulence. That's fine, guys. That's part of it. So don't be afraid. And part of that too here could be that level where price could actually come back up. That could be that excuse that it needs for it to come back up and retest, and then for a continuation to the downside, right? So we just have to be aware of that. If we do see price starting to come back up a little bit, we might get gold to come back up and retest potentially before it continues to go down further. So we just have to be aware of that, guys. Let's move on. Let's take a look at you know what's funny, actually, NAS 100. Do you guys remember this kind of wedge pattern I was looking at? Look at my arrow, guys. Look at my freaking arrow. Look at that arrow right there, guys. It's insane. I honestly didn't think it was going to go that low, all the way down here. I knew that it was probably going to come to this level here. So if I go to the higher time frame, I had a feeling that it would probably come back down here, at least to these lows over here, because this is an area of significance over here. You can see right there, that's a major key level. Even if you narrow it down to the 1 hour, you could see there was a lot of resistance and support of this level of structure. So I knew that overall, the overall picture was to the downside, and I did see it potentially coming down to these lows, but it literally broke below this level here for NAS 100. So that's amazing how that ended up going. However, right now I don't really see anything happen for NAS. Potentially maybe come back up to this level of structure and maybe a continuation to the downside. We are in a downward trend for NAS 100, so I'll keep you guys in the loop. But as of right now, I don't really see any trades setting up just yet, and I wouldn't really buy this level of structure because this area here, because it's just too risky, guys. Like, we don't know, right? Maybe price may just be super bearish and might continue to go down further, right? So we always want to wait for confirmations. We don't want to just jump into trades just to jump in, guys. We always want to have a reason behind it. And then now in terms of USD JPY, guys, another trade that went exactly as predicted, guys, from Friday. And remember, I was telling you guys we had an ascending wedge pattern formation on the higher time frames, and we were finally got that break and the retest over here. So we had a nice clean retest level here, and we had price come back up here. I'm going to draw it out here for you guys. So we got the strong momentum push, we got the pullback, and then we got a continuation to the upside. Now we should expect some sort of a pullback at least to this level structure down here as a retest, and then a nice clean continuation to the upside. That's kind of my overall bias for USD JPY as of right now, guys. So I should expect some sort of a double top formation here, maybe on USD JPY on the 1 hour. Price is starting to come back up. We should see some sort of a rejection, maybe, could be, possibly. And if we get a nice double top formation here, we'll get a nice sell position here to at least kind of these level lows here, and we can expect the overall direction for buys for USD JPY, guys. That's kind of my overall bias, but we shall see what ends up happening. I'll keep you guys in the loop whichever way it ends up going, guys. So make sure you guys, if you haven't already, join our free Telegram group, guys. That's where we post. I do post anything, any analysis or whatever I'm looking at. I keep you guys in the loop, and we also support each other, guys. We got an amazing community of people there that support each other, and I'm very proud of each and every one of them that are in my group there, because we're an amazing family there. Yeah, bro, maybe Mr. Positive, let's go, bro. We dabbing, you know what's good. Yeah, Abraham, I think it's a bot, man. Like, it's so annoying. It's just okay, I think I took it off. Yeah, we could put a sell limit there. I'm not looking at gold right now, guys. Sorry, I'm just reading the comments. So yeah, Adam, nice, thank you, Pedro. Okay, bye all. All right, Adam, take care, bro. Appreciate it. Let's go. Guys, if you understood the explanation as well on USD JPY, do me a huge solid, guys, and smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel, guys. And then we're gonna go over a couple other pairs, but that's what I have. My outlook on USD JPY. Outlook on gold, again on gold, you know what I mean? Like I said, overall sentiment, lots of clear range in this area, guys. We are kind of piercing below this ranging area, so I'm looking at gold sells and continuation of sells, guys. This was a live trade we took in the flesh, guys, in the flesh, like literally at the beginning of the, I think I sent it through my Telegram group on my VIP. I sent it on my VIP. I just sent the breakdown. I said, hey guys, this is kind of what I'm looking at. Just full transparency. This is what I'm looking at, guys. This is what I'm looking at. And then I sent it on my free chat as well. And I said, you know what, man, like I don't want to feel like I'm just, you know what I mean? So I shared it also in my free group as well, my overall outlook on gold, and it's absolutely melting exactly as predicted, guys. Like I said, you have to you know, manage your risk, but also like be confident in what you're looking at, guys. And this is exactly my overall analysis. I literally just came with the charts 5 minutes before I even posted it on here and came live, and I said, this is what I'm looking at. Boom, 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 got it done. You know what I mean? So Guys, really appreciate you all very much, guys. If you find this helpful or informative in any way possible, let me know, guys. Let me know in the chat box below. Also, smash that like button, guys. I really appreciate the love and support. Okay, we've got Howie here. Pedro, what's going on? What's going on, brother? We are back, bro. We are back. It's Sunday, man. We're already killing it on Sunday, man. But just very thankful, man. God is good. So just, you know what I mean? Always just thanking him for another day. Just very blessed, you know what I mean, for another day. And I hope you guys are also having an amazing weekend as well, too. So, GG, let's laugh out loud, melting. Let's go, bro. It's melting. Let's get it. And don't freak out, guys. If you missed out, don't feel bad. Don't worry. Like I said, I always say this all the time, guys. There's so many opportunities in the markets. There's always opportunities, okay? So don't feel bad. Don't feel bad, team, okay? Guys, I'm just going to head to the washroom. I'll be right back, right? All right, guys, we're back. We are back. All right, guys, so exactly as predicted, you guys saw live in the flesh. Guys, if you enjoyed that explanation, not only just smash that like button for me, but also let me know in the chat box below if you understood my overall analysis on gold. And like I said, we also have to be mindful that I took my profits already, by the way. Let's see how much pips we caught. Is this from when I got in? It was 56 pips. So reason why I got out is because I feel that overall we'll probably, well, not only that, like, I'm probably gonna bet soon, so but I don't like to keep my trades running when I'm going to bed unless I'm like doing like a really low risk. And so I did like a 0.50 on gold. So yeah, so I'm expecting there is a clean area here. However, we do have this little range area here, and there's probably, yeah, we've got a little bit of support here and a little bit more probably further down. So this is kind of where I would expect price anyways to start reacting at least. So what I could expect is, like I said, look at my lines here, some sort of a pullback to at least this level of structure. But this is nice because this is a straight confirmation that we couldn't hold this level of support here. And it's quite a significant level. You can see support, a little bit of support here as well, support, and then we broke it right now, and then so now we can expect gold to start pulling back up. Probably the next candle will start probably pulling back up to this level of structure. If we reject this level of structure, we're looking for a nice continuation to the downside, and my overall target level will be down below here. However, we could get a continuation to the downside straight. Maybe we won't get a pullback, could be a possibility, but I do feel that we do need to probably retest here before a nice continuation to the downside. And plus, like I said, I don't want to be in a gold trade while I'm sleeping. I just want to be kind of relaxing anyway. So I don't really recommend putting that. Give me 1 second here, guys. We're getting our chat spammed again. Trying to update some setting here so that you guys don't get the chat. Okay, well, I'll figure it out after anyways, guys. Anyways, we'll continue on. So there's lots of bots in the chat box, so I'm trying to set it in such a way where it's just subscribers that can comment in the chat box, but for some reason I don't even know how to figure that out yet, which I will figure out later on anyways, guys. So let's continue on. So yeah, so I'm expecting some sort of pullback there. Let's move on. So USD JPY, again, probably looking at like some sort of a double top formation, but overall I'm expecting USD JPY for a nice clean pullback, probably London session, maybe, not sure, we'll see. Probably by tomorrow morning we see probably price kind of slowly come back down. Could be a possibility. If that's the case, I probably do see price coming back down, retesting this level of structure, and then I would like to see some nice clean buy setups for USD JPY. I do see a nice continuation potentially to the upside, and we finally broke above this resistance area here, which you can see it was quite significant, and it took a really long time for price to break above. We had a couple fake outs below and above, so being able to break it was a major accomplishment. So Really happy that ended up panning out. And if you look over here, guys, look, we've got that huge wick rejection here. This is the 4-hour time frame, by the way. Look at the next candle here. It's starting to look bearish. Again, I'm expecting some sort of a possible double top. Possible double top on the 1 hour and 30-minute. Could be a possibility. Probably like the 30-minute double top, and then we can expect a nice continuation to the downside to that level structure. I'll keep you guys in the loop as well for that. AUUSD, I haven't really looked at AUUSD, kind of where we're at. Gotta clean the charts because it's a little bit messy. Let's go up to the daily. So we are looking super bearish for AUUSD. To the point that I could probably expect to come down to this point area here, but that's gonna take a while. But my next target area would probably be around, I would say right over here, which is about 61,742. Kind of that ranging area there is my next potential target area for AUUSD. And so if we look at the daily, we're looking super bearish on the daily. And I can expect probably a continuation to the downside. 4 hours, same thing to the downside. Especially right now. 1 hour, yeah, we can expect a nice clean push to the downside. We might get something like this happen, something like this. So we get like a nice clean push. That's what we're waiting. Nice clean push, and then retest, and then a continuation to the downside. Something like that for AUUSD is kind of what I'm expecting at this point, because we are kind of breaking potentially this ranging area here. This is the high of the range. Okay. And so it seems like we're at the bottom of the range, but we're kind of broken just below, and it's retested it a little bit. It's still falling below. So unless it forms some sort of a double bottom and it comes back up, I'm looking for sells. Okay. That's kind of what I'm looking at for AUUSD right now, guys. Let me know in the chat box if you understood that explanation, guys. Also smash that like button for me if you understood that explanation on AUUSD. Let's go. If you're new to the family, guys, also don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys, and hit all notifications so you get notified whenever we're live. We are live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. However, I do come on live sometimes in the evenings, and so just make sure you're notified. All right, guys. Gbpusd, so we are ranging in Gbpusd. We're stuck in this ranging market right now. We'll see what happens on the London session. Potentially we could expect some sort of a breakout. We are, however, you can see the highs of the range here and the lows of this range, so we could expect maybe a breakout to the upside. That could be a possibility. As long as we break this level of structure here, we could look for buys above this level of structure or sells below this level of structure down here, this level here. So it's just we're waiting for a breakout essentially for Gbpusd. Okay, taking a look at GBP/JPY, we did break that level, that trend line, that upwards trend momentum that we had, and so we saw a nice clean perfect sell setup for GJ. And right now pretty much it is looking really choppy, I'll be honest. But I think overall we're looking for sells for GJ at this point. So anything really, I'm going to highlight this for you guys anyways. So anything below this level of structure, we're looking for nice clean sell setups. For GJ, I want to see a nice strong red candle formation, push below that level of structure, and then we can expect some sort of a nice clean retracement. And then we can get in on a nice sell. Sorry. So I want to see this candle here, see how bearish it is. I want to see it strong bearish candle, wait for that pullback, and then a continuation to the downside. That's kind of what I'm expecting for GJ, but we won't know until we see what ends up happening for London session, guys. So we'll see what ends up happening. This is my overall bias. If we do break above, I would say this level of structure, we're looking for buys. But again, price could come back up and then just range here for a bit. Anything above this level of structure, we're probably looking for buy setups. Okay, I'm gonna mark this off for you guys as well. Buy setups above this level structure. There we go. Guys, you understanding that for GBP/JPY? Let me know in the chat box as well, guys. Smash that like button, guys. Don't be shy. We've got 21 people here joining us tonight. Don't be shy, guys. Comment below if it's your first time here. Actually, you know what? let's do something different. If it's your first time here, let me know in the chat box. Just introduce yourself. Let me know. Let us know where you're joining us from. And yeah, you've come to the right place. Hey, we got Eddie here. What's up, bro? Hey, what's going on, Eddie? What's going on, bro? How are you? I don't know if you did you catch our gold trade? We had a fire gold trade, bro. It was like 52 pips. We literally caught it in the beginning of the live stream. I sent it actually in the VIP too. That was 56 pips. I literally just took profit over here. Like I said, basically my outlook though, this is still a good re-entry for gold. See, do you remember how I told you guys, I'm gonna get out now because, well, obviously I'm planning on a bet soon, but my overall bias is that I'm expecting a pullback. But now that we broke this level of structure, that's a strong indication. By the way, let me just move the highlighted area, this level of structure here. Now that's a strong indication. Look, we broke that level. So price has disrespected this level of structure. So to me, that's a strong indication that price will come back up to this level of resistance now and use it as a resistance area. If we are able to respect this level of structure, so meaning we get multiple rejection candles, okay, wick rejections. You see those wicks? That's the wicks right there, okay? If you see multiple rejections here, like 1, 2, 3, 4 different candles rejecting and struggling to push higher, then we can start looking for sells again for gold. So this is still not over, guys. That's a great opportunity to get back into gold. And so don't feel bad if you missed on the trade, guys. Hey, Eddie, good. Yeah, I got it. I'm in Cuba trading. Nice, bro, nice. Be careful right now because Nicaragua just got a hurricane, bro. So I think it's category 1 right now, but it's not looking too good. So all the best, bro. You know what I mean? I know we're like neighbors, so just be careful. And I wish you all the best, bro. Have fun in Cuba. Man, me and the wife went to Mexico in July. It was the best, man. And I've been to Cuba too. I've been to Varadero too. Beautiful beaches, my friend. Beautiful beaches. How's the Supra? I know I meet a lot of people, but I remember, I have good memory with everyone as much as I can. You have a beautiful Supra, bro. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting, some sort of a pullback, guys, for gold. And then we'll continue on here, guys. We'll take a look at maybe Euro USD. I haven't seen Euro USD in a while. Let's take a look at 4 hour. Yes. You see that? Boom, look at my lines. I like it. Oof, look at that, guys. Look how price has respected this level structure multiple times. Look at this. Look. You've got high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and news tomorrow. Look at this. This is the daily. We've got daily. Bearish. Probably gonna come back down to these levels here. We'll see what ends up happening. Probably news will push it. 4 hours. So now that we know we're in a downwards trend, price came back up, broke our trend line as well. We had a break, failed to create a new higher high. Price came up here, was looking like maybe a double top. Failed to do that as well. So this to me was a strong indication to the downside. However, we're kind of at this level structure here. So this to me also
This is a level structure. So if we break below here, you can expect some move like this. Something like this. It'll push, but it won't go very long. It'll probably go like to this level here. This, pull back, retest, and then continuation to the downside. Alright, that's if it breaks below here. However, we could probably get a pullback. If price is failing to break below, it could probably pull back up to this level here. There's a chance. Right, so this is Euro USD right now. Right now, I don't really see a trade on Euro USD, guys. We've got Anwar, Conru, Anwar, close order now, bro. Which one, on gold? Yeah, I took gold a while ago. Eddie, yeah, level out internet sucks here. Yeah, bro, that's the only thing with Cuba. What I don't miss, I love the beaches. I miss the beaches. I miss the people. But the one thing was the internet just kind of sucks. The internet down there, but it is what it is. I know. Saved in garage, yeah, bro. You have to, especially right now with everything that's going on. This guy has no rest. This bot has no rest, guys. It just keeps going. It's all good. It's all good. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that like button if you understood that explanation on Euro USD, guys. Do you see my outlook there on Euro USD? Let's get it, guys. You guys ready for tomorrow? Tomorrow's going to be amazing, too. Alright guys, so let's continue on. So that's my outlook there that I have on Euro USD. Okay. GG 30-minute gold has no bottom wick. Yeah. We'll see what happens. That's what I'm saying. It could be still continuing to bearish to the downside. We'll see. Looks like it's probably going to continue to go down further. 30-minute though could be some sort of like an inverse inverted hammer. It could be. We don't know. We don't know. We have to wait it out. All I know is that price is stalling for a bit. You got the inverted hammer on the 15. That's not significant though. I want to see like an inverted hammer on like the 30-minute. That's a little bit more significant. We'll see. We'll see what ends up happening, guys. Obviously, we want wick rejections here on the higher time frames, which is the most important thing. Even on the 30-minute, we do want to see wick rejections, but we could get, like I said, an inverted hammer, and then price could be pulling back up. However, like I said, if gold is super bearish, we could just get gold to just completely melt down, right? Especially gold. But for me personally, I already took my 52 pips and got out. And then I'm expecting some sort of a pullback. Now, if price melts, it is what it is. Don't feel bad, guys. There's so many opportunities in the markets. That's the one thing that really, once I understood that really helped me with my trading, guys. Trust me. GBPUSD looking pretty bearish. I'm probably expecting GBPUSD to come down to these lows over here, potentially. Yeah, we got price break below this level structure, kind of retesting this level here. If we got a strong momentum push below this level here, which is testing right now, we can expect something like this. Potentially, right? That's if it breaks below strong momentum push. We'll see what ends up happening, guys. We've got Conru, Anwar, good for buys. Pedro, which one? What are we talking about, guys? Right now for buys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's get it. A couple new members joining in, guys. Just don't forget, like I say, We're live every single day here in the mornings at 7 a.m. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. If you're just joining the family, appreciate you all very much. I want to make sure you guys are notified, guys, when I do come live. So I'm not looking at anything right now at this given time, guys. So I'm not looking at anything. I will let you guys know if I see anything, either when I'm live or in my free Telegram group. I'll let you know kind of my outlook, and in my, like, usually in my VIP, it's where I, you know, that inner circle, that's where I really kind of show all my breakdowns, all my thoughts, what I'm looking at, all the trades I'm looking at. It's not a signals room, by the way. It's more like an educational, like, you know, group that I've done. It's for you guys. I've literally created that mainly for you guys, for people that really just want to take their trading to the next level. You know what I mean? I don't really talk about it that much because my focus is the live streams and obviously people that are in that group. But our free Telegram group that we have, guys, it's amazing. Amazing for you guys to learn, guys, to be able to get so much value out of it, guys. We have an amazing community there as well too, guys. If you have any questions or anything, most of your questions will be answered there too. So I look forward to seeing you guys there in our Telegram group, guys. The link to that Telegram group is in the video description, guys. Our free Telegram group is in the video description. You can see it right now. If you click below, you'll be able to see the link there for a free Telegram group. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. We had an amazing gold trade here live in the flesh in our live stream today. Literally today, guys. We profited over 56 pips live in our live stream, guys. For free, guys. Absolutely free value I'm providing for you guys. I'm literally giving you guys my time, guys. It's Sunday at like literally 12 midnight here in Canada. So I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you all very much, and I hope that you guys find value in my time that I provide here with you guys. So as long as you guys are learning and you find you know, value, and you're improving, that's the most important thing, guys. Makes me very happy. We got the black tea. Can't go wrong with the black tea, man. All right, let's continue on here. Oil, yeah, so we got a nice push to the upside. With oil, we were looking at buy setups here. Look at the 4 hour. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so we were in this downward trend, and it seems like we got a final push to the upside. So now what I want to see is a pullback, and I'm expecting a pullback at least, I would say, probably, yeah, really darn close to this area, this level here. Around there. Pull back. Wow, yeah, so went up to, wow, 93. So I'm expecting it to come back down, just pull back probably around 89. 89.90, that's kind of my overall target, guys, for oil. Okay. And then we can expect a nice continuation to the upside. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving literally in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. A couple more minutes left. So just let me know if there's anything else, guys. If you have any questions, guys, let me know in the chat box below. Don't be shy, guys. Yeah, guys, so we're looking at sells for oil. S&P 5. Yeah, gold getting that pullback on the 30-minute too. Nice. See, you could get on a pullback, and I've done that before. Especially at 15, it looks like it could definitely come back up here. How many pips? But again, it's risky, guys. You don't want to be, you know what I mean? 40, I mean, this 48 pips, potentially, if not more. But it's too risky, you know what I mean? You don't know, right? Maybe price is very, very bearish. And it could create like 1 or 2 candles and then boom, it won't come all the way back up here, right? So as traders, we always have to be cautious as to what we're doing, guys, because you never know, right? It's all about the market's all about probabilities, right? So we have to be very cautious on when we get in trades, guys. You know what I mean? Be patient. I know it's hard, guys. Trust me, it's hard. It can be hard. I've been there myself. You know what I mean? So when you're able to manage your emotions, when you're able to be disciplined, when you're able to be consistent, that's when you start seeing results, guys. And when you're able to be confident too, guys. If there's any trades that you see that you're, you know what I mean, you're getting into and you're like, you know what, it's like me right now, guys. I told you guys right here, we made 56 profits, 56 pips profit, guys, live right here, live, guys. Literally like free value, guys. Like, you know what I mean? If you guys haven't even subscribed, I don't know what you guys are doing. You guys are missing out. You're missing out on free value. And you know what I mean? Like I said, I've created this community, guys, to help you guys out, because when I first started, you know what I mean, I had the support from my family, my wife, my parents, you know, my everyone, my sister-in-laws, everyone, my sister, everyone's always been there family wise. But the one thing that I felt in this industry is you feel lost, you feel lonely, you feel confused, guys. Like if you go on YouTube and you really don't stick with one thing, guys, I'm telling you, you will feel lost, because there's so many people that have so many different ways of doing things that you're just going to feel so complex and so confused. You don't want to do that, guys. You want to join a community, you know, of people that are like-minded, people that are willing to learn, people that are willing to, you know what I mean? And that's what I wanted to create. I wanted to create a community of traders that are looking to take their trading to the next level, but also to understand how to trade, to understand why price moves this way, to understand how to look at the market like a language, like an art, guys. It becomes an art, I'm telling you. And when you realize that, and you realize the value in sticking through with one community, stick with one. I'm just saying, like, I'm not saying you have to stick with mine. I'd love to have you in the part of our family. I'm telling you, we've had fire trades. Last week alone, we caught three trades consecutively in, I think, 2 sessions that we had. 3 different trades setups in a day. You know what I mean? And typically I try to stick it just with 2, you know what I mean? If that's what the market gives us, because sometimes the market won't give us anything, you know what I mean? So we have to be aware of that, guys, you know what I mean? Like, for example, the market gave us right here on this gold trade, you know what I mean? And that's when I told you guys, I'm like, guys, I'm looking at sells, you know what I mean? I want to get a cleaner entry, you know what I mean? And I was like, you know what? I'm aware that this is my risk. This is what I could potentially be losing. It's what I'm going to be gaining, guys. You know what I mean? And so once you understand that differences, and once you're able to accept that, and you're confident in your setup, you're confident in your analysis, guys, you will see results. You know what I mean? And so that's really, really crucial, guys. Also, psychology. Don't be rushing into trades, guys, just to get in. If you miss the trade, or if the trade's already melting, don't stress out trying to get in on this trade last minute. What's going to happen is price could go against you, and then you're screwed. You don't want to do that. You don't want to find yourself in that position, guys. Trust me, I've been there. That's why, for example, here with gold, right? I said, guys, let's get out now. You know what I mean? Literally, not that I knew the end, but I looked at the left-hand side, and I've been here before, guys. Look, right? Price is busy here. Look, support. Sorry, my bad. Support here, right? So we've got a ranging area here. We're at the bottom of the ranging area. This is where gold said, okay, I'm pushing here, but this is where I'm reacting. So I'm expecting gold to come back up potentially to these highs. We can see some sort of a nice clean retracement, and then we'll be wanting to get back in on sells, guys. You know what I mean? If you guys are, holy crap, that scared the crap out of me. It's raining heavily now. If you guys understood the explanation, smash that like button for me, guys. Smash that like button. Also comment below, guys. Don't be shy, guys. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. It is raining here in Canada right now. Or at least the southern Ontario, Canada. Also, guys, join the family, guys. I don't know if you guys are already part of the family or haven't join the family. I'm telling you guys are missing out on free value. And also, guys, if you do join the family, don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys, so you get notified every single time we're live, guys. I do live streams every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. But I do also surprise you guys in the evenings. So I do this so that you guys, those that can't unfortunately join us in the mornings, are at least able to get some sort of value in the evenings as well too, guys. So let me just finish off here. So yeah, I'm expecting that pullback there on gold. So Euro JPY, I don't really trade yet. Like these pairs here, I just have them, but I don't really trade any of these pairs, to be honest. Odd CAD. Let's look at the 4-hour. Bearish. Similar to odd USD, yeah, we're looking overall just bearish sentiment. So odd CAD has a potential to probably come down to these lows over here. Right? So what I want to see for odd CAD, or what I'm expecting for odd CAD, because of the daily, it's super bearish, by the way. It's probably something like this too. Okay, that's what we're looking at, odd CAD right there. That in itself, we're looking at sells anyways. We got a nice break and retest. That's kind of what I'm looking at, break and retest of the structure, guys. All right. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap. I appreciate you guys joining in. I'm gonna call it a night. I do have to wake up tomorrow at 7 a.m. for you guys to come live. I hope you guys were able to catch some sort of value in this live stream, guys. If you did, if you're looking to take your trading to new levels, guys, make sure you guys join the family, join La Familia, subscribe below, and hit that little notification bell, guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I appreciate you all very much. Hope you had an amazing weekend, guys. I know we have a long weekend here in Canada, so I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. Thank you so much, guys, and bye for now.